Hello guys, and welcome back to Food and Travel by Slim. In this video guys, I'm showing you how I cook a juicy, delicious curry red snapper. If you want to see how I do this, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here is the red snapper, and I'm just going to be cutting it into pieces, like maybe 2 pieces. Some of them I'm going to be removing the head. I just cut up about 3 snappers about this same size, and then I'm going to be washing it with some lime juice and getting it nice and clean. And then stay tuned guys and watch what I go on. So now guys, the fish is nice and clean. I'm adding a little salt, and here is a little all-purpose that I've added here. I'm adding some black pepper, just to give it a little spice. And I'm also adding some flavor rice, so not too much seasoning, just minimal. I'm just gonna mix this all together just to season the fish and give it some nice flavors. So I've already placed some incisions in the fish. I'm going ahead to do that now, and this is where I'm going to apply the seasoning. So I have this pan on the fire, and I'm adding some coconut oil, which I'm going to use to cook up my veggies. Okay, so my veggies, I have some chopped garlic, fresh garlic that is. And then I have some scallions, some tomatoes, some carrots. And then I have 1 red country pepper here, and some okra which I chopped. These were on the freezer, so that's why they look this way. So don't let your okra spoil. They go easily. Once you buy them, you store them on the fridge, they start to go bad. Just throw them in the freezer, because the stores, they do sell frozen okra, so why should you let yours spoil in the fridge? Just throw it in the freezer. As a matter of fact, you can store so many veggies in the freezer, and just prevent them from spoiling. So I'm leaving the okras and the pepper for last, because the okras, they cook so quickly, and I don't want them to get so soft. So I'm just gonna cook these veggies a little, and then I'm gonna add the fish. So now guys, this is the boss, right, the icing on the cake, and this is the curry powder that I'm adding to the oil. I'm just gonna let it toast a little bit in the oil, and that is gonna ignite all the flavors and really turn up the flavor for the curry red snapper. So let it burn a little or toast. This way it not go run your belly. Okay, so let that simmer for a little bit, and then we move on to the next step. Stay tuned guys and watch what go on. And thank you guys so much for all my new subscribers and those who are returning. Thank you so much for coming back. And the temperatures are warming up. That means enough things are gonna go on, so just stay tuned guys. Now I'm adding the fish. All right, and then just move these veggies aside a little so that the veggies can go on top. I don't want to cover everything down in the bottom of the pan. So here we go, just put the veggies on top. Right, it's just about techniques. Guys, look how pretty this is. Now I'm adding a little bit of water to get some juice. You know, it's steamed fish, so not too much water, just a little to get the juices going, right? Because I don't want the fish to stick to the pan, right? And guys, if you are here for the first time, feel free to subscribe and become a part of the family. We do whole heap of Jamaican style cooking over here. And we do whole heap of cooking still, different cultures, African, Chinese, Italian. We do whole heap of cooking here, so you can learn to cook from this channel. I'm adding some cock soup. Man, yes, so nice. This cock soup is gonna take it to the next level, right? Even though we're not cooking soup, but the flavors are just right. And I'm adding some thyme leaves to it. Wow, these green herbs gonna take it to the next level also. And of course, don't forget the butter. Butter makes it better, right? More flavors. Better too much flavors than no flavor at all. That is why we are called Jamaican style cooking, right? The flavors have to be right. Okay, so here we go. I'm adding, just topping it up with a little bit more water because I want whole heap of juice. Okay, it's steamed fish. And what I'm gonna do when I have my leftover steamed fish for tomorrow, I'm just gonna add some crackers, some water crackers, tough crackers, that's what we call it, to the pot. And then that's another dinner, or it could be breakfast. But for this evening, I'm just gonna cook up some soft yam and green banana. So stay tuned guys and watch what go on. So sit here. After maybe 15 minutes, it is covered, it has steamed, and it is still steaming. Look how bright, vibrant and pretty, and I mean, I can't find words to describe this right now. And if it looks so, can you imagine the taste? What you didn't see behind the scene, I added some pimento seed, that's the allspice. I just crush it up, right, and sprinkle a little bit on top. So that is all those black things you're seeing. And remember, I tell you that this allspice just bring it to, just buck it, bring it to the highest level. All right, look how nice, look how pretty. You want to taste this and you lick your 10 fingers. This is what you call finger licking good. What? Curry red snapper for days. Look at this, guys. So you might wonder why I'm taking so long. I am just putting the juice all over it to make it so succulent, so rich, so soft. I'm just drenching the fish in all this juice because you know it's fish and it is easy to cook. You know, it cooks within 15-20 minutes, right? You don't want to be moving the fish around in the pot. So guess what? If the mountain cannot come, Muhammad can go to the mountain. The mountain must come to Muhammad. So I sprinkle all the juice over the fish, right? And that is why it is so rich and pretty. Look at that. It is ready to eat, guys. Food time.